Hi guys, so are you ready to draw with me today? So I will show you today how to draw a bolt on the side and straight up. So let's get started, and if you are liking these videos and want to see more, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and the bell icon to get a video every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. And you can also connect with me through my other social media like my Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. All that information is in the description box below for you. And so then let's get started. So I'm gonna first draw the outline and then I'll show you how I colored them as well, and I'll finish it off and show you how the final look looks like. So then let's get to it. So there you go. This is the final look. I really hope you like it, and if you do like it, don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment for me. And if you would like to buy products with this on, check out my Redbubble shop link in the description box below to buy products. And if you have any questions, comments, and if you want me to draw something else, let me know in the comments below, or I can put some next videos for you right here as well. I drew other stuff like spanners, etc. So let me know what you want to see next as well, and don't forget to hit on my face logo to subscribe to my channel. I bring a video every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and you can always request for something for me to draw, and if I can draw it, and I will draw it for you. And if you want me to make something or do a DIY project, let me know as well. So then have a great day. Bye.